Hello friends on the internet, welcome to the first ever episode of Cooking with JanJan. Today I'm going to show you how I made this golden fried rice. This is a very easy recipe to clean your fridge, and if I can do it, you can do it. First of all, let's prep all the ingredients. For zucchini and sausage, we are going to chop them into tiny pieces. And then we're going to crack 2 eggs and beat them together. Here comes the cooking part. I like to fry my sausage first to get that fat out and aroma going. Then with some oil, fry the zucchini. If you are a pro like me, this is when you show off your skills. After you fry your sausage and zucchini, let's get our rice and egg going. Pour the eggs in and wait for a couple seconds until it's halfway cooked, then add your rice. It's better to use day 2 rice for fried rice as it's more dry. In the wok with the egg, separate the rice. Once your rice are all separated and well combined with the egg, add the zucchini and the sausage and mix them. Time for some secret ingredients. Moi choy. Sorry, I legit don't know how to say that in English, and you can usually find this in any Asian grocery store. Fry your rice more until everything is well combined. And that's it. You can change the ingredient to whatever you like. Use those frozen vegetables instead and add shrimp, add chicken, and the possibility is endless. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and make your own. Please subscribe and see you next time.